Hello, and welcome to this next GeoSHAPE training video. In this module, we will show you how to perform some simple edit operations to your map features. Edits such as move, modify, and delete. We'll begin at the initial GeoSHAPE starting page for maps. This is the view you have when you first log in and have selected the Maps tab. Now let's find the map we saved in the previous module and retrieve it for this exercise. Here is our map, but if you did not see it right away, you can always use the search tool to help you find it, or narrow your search by category, date, extent, or keywords. To start editing this map, select the View button. GeoSHAPE brings this map to the mapping tool for editing. Okay, now we're ready to do some more work with this map. Let's edit some data so that you get an understanding of how to do these operations. To edit a feature, just select it. Once a feature is selected, a number of operations open up that you can do. For example, I selected this point feature and the information window appears. Notice that at the bottom of this window are several icons. Let's go over each of these. Here at the far left is the table view icon. Click this tool and GeoSHAPE opens the table view for all features in this layer. The layer we touched on is highlighted in this view. Back in Module 3, we spoke about all the operations that you can do from this table view. So we'll not go into them again. Just know that you can do a number of edit operations from here. Alright, let's close this table and go over to the other icons. Next is the Show History tool. We will hold off speaking about history for now, as we will go into much more detail about this in its own training video. To the right of that is the Edit Attributes icon. You use this tool when you want to make changes to the attribute values to a feature. Let's go ahead and make some changes here. Click the icon and the Edit Attributes panel appears for you to make changes. So let's change some values to one of the fields. Then save the changes. The table disappears and we're taken back to our map. Check and confirm that the changes are good and then close the window. Next, let's do a move operation. Click on this line feature here, and as we can see, our line is in select mode, noted by the blue highlight. This next icon in the row is the Edit Geometry tool. You would use this tool to change the shape or location of your features. Let's go ahead and select this icon and see how it performs. Notice that as you place the cursor on the line, a blue dot appears where your cursor is positioned. Click and drag the blue dot to a new location. And you can also add more vertices by doing a click and drag from anywhere in between. You release the mouse button when you're finished. Okay, let's click the check mark to accept, and there, our line is moved. It's important to know modifying the shape of a polygon works the same way. Next, let's delete an existing feature. Select one of these point features. Then, select this Delete Feature icon at the end of the row. The confirmation panel appears. Select Yes to continue or No to abort the delete. Let's go ahead and select Yes, and there, our feature is removed. Now let's save our changes to our map so that it can be retrieved at this state the next time. So select the Save Map icon, and from the Save This Map window, fill in any new descriptive information in the abstract text box. Click Save to keep the changes, and there, our map is saved with the latest updates. Okay, that's all we're going to do in this video. We just learned how to perform several edit operations. Operations such as move, modify, and delete. We hope that you found this information useful, as you will use these operations on many occasions.